The Starfield Library, an iconic public library in Seoul, South Korea, was built in 2017 as part of the renovation of the Starfield COEX Mall. The library was designed by the architectural firm, the Beck Group, and is known for its impressive interior design and expansive book collection. It was created with the goal of providing a welcoming and inspiring space for visitors to indulge in the joys of reading. The library was sponsored by the Shinski Group, a major South Korean retail conglomerate, which aimed to promote cultural enrichment and literacy among the public. The Shinski Group recognized the importance of fostering a reading culture in a bustling urban environment and envisioned the Starfield Library as a tranquil oasis amidst the vibrant atmosphere of the mall. Since its opening, the Starfield Library has gained international acclaim for its unique architectural concept. The towering bookshelves, reaching up to 13 meters in height, create a visually stunning backdrop for book enthusiasts and visitors alike. The library's collection includes over 50,000 books, covering a wide range of genres and languages, ensuring there is something for everyone's reading preferences. The Starfield Library has become a popular destination for locals and tourists seeking a peaceful retreat within the bustling mall. It offers ample seating areas, including comfortable chairs, benches, and tables, where visitors can immerse themselves in their chosen books. The library's open layout and natural lighting further contribute to its inviting atmosphere, inviting readers to explore and indulge in the written word. In addition to being a space for reading and studying, the library also hosts various events, such as book signings, author talks, and exhibitions. These activities aim to further engage the public in literature and promote cultural exchange. The Starfield Library has undoubtedly left a significant impact on the reading culture of Seoul, offering an enchanting and accessible space for individuals of all ages to explore the world of books. Whether you are a book lover or simply seeking a moment of tranquility, the Starfield Library is a must-visit destination that promises a unique and immersive experience. To get to the Starfield Library, you can follow these steps. 1. Locate the Starfield COEX Mall. The library is situated within the Starfield COEX Mall, which is in the Gangnam district of Seoul. You can easily find it using a navigation app or by asking for directions. 2. Enter the mall. Once you reach the Starfield COEX Mall, enter the main entrance. The mall is well signposted, making it easy to find your way around. 3. Locate the Starfield Library. The library is located on the first floor of the mall, near the main entrance. Look for the impressive bookshelves and the open space, and you'll find the entrance to the library. 4. Enjoy the library. Once inside, you are free to explore the library, browse the books, and find a cozy spot to sit and read. Overall, the Starfield Library is a captivating destination for book lovers and visitors seeking a unique and inspiring reading environment. Its impressive architecture, vast collection of books, and convenient location make it a must-visit spot for both locals and tourists in Seoul.